And good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach. Aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Just closed the room for today. We were in a short. We just got out around scratch. We were in around 550. And you'll see the markets right there now. That was our last trade today. We did have 2 in the NASDAQ and then 3 in the ES. I think we had 1 more in the NASDAQ. Actually, that was a small winner or a break even. Where was that at? Where was that at? Let me look at that one. But the main trades we had here were in the ES. I'll run through everything here because we had a lot. I'm told everybody the most aggressive you want to get in is they're going to start buying off the 850s. So again, if you want to be in, you got to make sure you're in. 850s were filled because they cleared the bid. But I always, as we always tell people, a tick doesn't matter. If you want to make sure you're in and grab it, grab it. And it was a beautiful trade. I mean, it went from, 850, it went over 10 points. It was the pretty much best trade of the morning. It was a great trade. Then the market came up. We had what was called the ZL. This was 1 or 2 points. I told everybody it could easily go up closer to 650. If you want to try to grab it up there, if you want to grab it 550 or 556, that's fine. Either way, the trade made, 2 to 2.5 points. And I said, if it doesn't close below, I specifically gave the number of 450. I said, if it doesn't close below 450, so if you want to give yourself room there, you gotta, if you want to make more than a point, you gotta try to get it up a little bit higher. And I specifically said, if it doesn't close below 450, it's going higher. And it tried for 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 candles. As you can see there, it didn't go. Here we were in around 550, and again, you'll see here we just closed the room. We're able to get out around break even. Lose a tick, make a tick, scratch, whatever. It doesn't matter. Anytime we take trades, in the last half hour, especially if we've had 3, 4, 5 trades before that, we don't want to be risking any more than half of what we're up max. Usually tell people try less, but depending on how many contracts you have, that can be a little bit more difficult. So it was a smaller position for people anyway, and if they lost a tick or broke even, they paid commissions, whatever the case may be. It was not a big deal. In the NASDAQ, we got short twice in the NASDAQ. We got through all this chop here, and this was an area here where we said we knew what we were looking at the ES. We knew it had to happen. Said it's either going to do the minimum or it's going to be a great trade to the downside. And it did the minimum twice. I mean, we made 15 ticks on the first trade. 2/4 was the most aggressive, 175 if you wanted to make sure you were in. We hit it both on the 1018 and the 1021 candle. I'm sorry, not the 1018, the 1012. The 1012, and then the 1021 candle, 1018 candle. Some people hit it a third time. So it made up to 15 ticks twice, and then it made 20 on the third time. Not everybody hit it the third time, but I said you could, and that was the last time. So 15 to 20 ticks up to 3 times, which isn't bad. It's just no follow through. If you had a runner, you move your stop down and to entry, and that's it. But again, not a whole lot, but we got 3, 4, 5 trades that went pretty decent. And we're going to come back tomorrow. We're going to do it all over again. Check us out. Free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com. And we'll see everybody back tomorrow. Bye, traders.